Hi friends, I am your friend Rushikesh, and today we will be learning about our CyboSocks first ever course, Robotics Kid Engineer. So, in this course, we are going to learn about basics of electronics, coding, and robotics. So, what contains in this course? Well, have you ever seen electronic piano? Want to build your own? Then in this course, we are going to build it from scratch. Have you ever wondered how automatic water dispenser or sanitizer dispenser machine works? Well, you are going to build that on your own as well. And curious about smart dustbin, which open its lid whenever you take a trash in front of it? Well, you guessed it right. We are going to build that too. What about smart night light? Whenever it gets dark, it should turn on automatically to impress your parents. Well, guessed right. Here we are going to do that too. And lastly, we are going to build your own robot car that will follow the line you made, that will automatically drive itself, avoiding all the obstacles you put in front of it. Excited? Then why are you waiting for? Join us today. We are available near to you in Hyderabad at Mandikonda, online as well as offline. In Dharashiv at Swaraj Computer Center. I hope you guys are excited. Join us at cybosocks.online.